Top 3 mindfulness practices for calming the body, mind, and soul. Life is full of unexpected situations, stress, and chaos. It is important to learn how to deal with these situations and feelings so you can live the happiest and healthiest life possible. This fact makes it necessary to know healthy techniques for calming the body, mind, and soul. Mindfulness is one of the best ways to do this. Here are the top 3 mindfulness practices for calming your entire essence. 1. Deep breathing. Breathing keeps us alive, while deep and intentional breathing helps us to enjoy life more. Countless studies show that deep breathing exercises have numerous positive benefits, such as reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, reducing stress, and increasing positive emotions. As a result, deep breathing is one of the best ways to calm the body, mind, and soul. There are numerous deep breathing exercises you can try. One popular option is counted breathing. Counted breathing is when you count the seconds of your inhale, hold, and exhale. This technique is popular because it gives you something to focus on while evening your deepened breath. Most people start by trying to inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 5 seconds, and exhale for 7 seconds. But you can change the timing based on your preferences. Just make the exhale longer than the inhale. 2. Meditation. Many people think that meditation is difficult or time-consuming. As a result, they avoid meditation, thinking it is not right for them. These beliefs about meditation are simply not true. Anyone can meditate and benefit from it. In fact, studies have shown that meditation decreases the risk of cardiovascular disease, regulates emotions, and improves satisfaction with life. If you are new to meditation, one of the easiest ways to meditate is to meditate on your breath. This technique will involve deep breathing, but take it a step further. To meditate on your breath, close your eyes and start breathing regularly. As your breath begins to slow on its own, draw attention to the air and breath. Try to detect the temperature of the air, what it feels like when it enters your mouth, goes down your throat, and exits your mouth. Try to imagine the air swirling throughout your body after you inhale. You could also try this by focusing on an image or mantra instead of your breath. As you meditate, thoughts may come into your head. That is okay. Simply recognize the thoughts and gently let them go after they have come to a natural conclusion. 3. Progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and relaxing every muscle group in your body one by one. This practice is helpful because it draws attention to how your body feels in the present, as well as forces your muscles to relax. This practice is especially helpful before bed. Starting at the head, breathe in and tense a muscle group for 4 to 10 seconds. Relax for 10 to 20 seconds before tensing the next muscle group. Note how your body feels when your muscles are tensed and relaxed. Do they feel different? Once you've gone through every muscle group, count backwards from 5 to 1 and bring your focus back to the present. Final thoughts. To recap, you must calm your body, mind, and soul to live a happy and healthy life. Mindfulness practices such as deep breathing, meditation, and progressive muscle relaxation are great ways to calm your entire essence, allowing you to cope and work through chaotic situations better.